Right, so this is how it looks like after about 3 to 4 deep frying.
Cooking up.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make Nyang tofu, stuffed tofu. It's actually a Hakka dish. Yeah. So let's take a look at the ingredient. Today I have one small cup, one small bowl of minced meat. Yeah. And I also have 3-4 tablespoons of fish, minced fish. This is actually the mackerel fish. Why is it 3-4 tablespoons? Because this is what I have left. You can do 1-to-1, yeah? You can do 1-to-1 ratio, or you can also use only fish paste, or you can use only meat, yeah? So totally up to you. I like to mix a bit of each, yeah? And here I'm adding a little bit of I think approximately half teaspoon of salted fish, just to give you some extra umami flavor. Okay, so then I'm going to marinate the meat paste a little bit with some garlic, fresh, this is spring onion, this is carrot, this is a bit of ginger, this is fresh coriander roots. Later we are going to marinate the meat paste together. After that, this is what I'm going to stuff it with. I have some firm tofu, I have some rehydrated shiitake mushroom, some big chili, and also this is brinjal, sorry. So now we are going to make the meat paste. I shall put in the minced pork, the fish paste. This fish paste I actually scrape it from mackerel fish myself. Yeah, very easy. Just use a spoon to scrape it out. Spooks, very easy. And then carrot, spring onion, ginger, and also garlic. Next thing, we are going to give it a bit of seasoning, a little bit of light soy sauce, some of my cooking appa chicken stock powder, a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, a bit of Shaoxing wine, a bit of garlic oil, or you can use sesame oil, and few dashes of white pepper. Next thing, just mix everything nicely together. So once you have mixed it up nicely, you can wrap it with a cling wrap and put it inside the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours for marinade. If you feel it is not sticky enough, you can add in some cornstarch. This will make it a lot more stickier, and it will stick better onto your stuffed tofu later as well. If you can actually stir it until you really feel the gelatinous coming out, yeah? Alright, so you just pretend this has been marinated in the fridge for the past 2 hours. Actually, it did not, but recommended to do so, yeah? Today I started cooking too late. Alright, so what you do next is, this is the rehydrated shiitake mushroom. Okay. Oh, we have removed the center stem, yeah, so that it actually has a hole, and you scoop out some meat paste and put it inside. Now, if you worry it is not sticky enough, you can actually put a bit of cornstarch. Maybe let me quickly show you. Put a bit of cornstarch inside. Then only you scoop out some meat paste and put it in. It will help. This will help to make your fillings to stick better onto the stuffed tofu. Yeah. All right. As with the chili, what you want to do is you want to use a small knife to cut out the center and also remove the seeds. And same thing here, you can actually add in a little bit of cornstarch inside so that your meat paste can sticks better. And then you stuff in the meat paste. And this is why it is called stuffed tofu. You basically can stuff in any kind of veggie that you have. There's actually no rule as to what you can stuff in, yeah? I don't have okra with me. If not, okra will taste really nice with stuffed tofu as well, right? And tofu, you really have to be very, very, I think I just break one of it. This tofu is very soft today. You want to make a slit inside, in the middle, and put in the I break everything. Wait. Just now Pao was too clumsy. I spoiled all the tofu, so I actually changed it to another firmer tofu here. Okay, so it's the same. You make a slit in the middle, then and insert in the meat paste. And this is actually the brinjal. So you butterfly cut it so that it actually has a cavity in the middle. Then you just add in the meat paste. Stuff it inside. And you can actually press it a bit. Then the meat paste will come out a little bit. And you shape it a bit here. Done. Right, then you have something like this. You can choose to fry them or steam. Up to you. So let's heat up some oil here. Don't make it too hot, somewhere around 130 to 150 degrees. That is good enough. Then I'm going to fry our tofu first. The thing about tofu is you want to face the meat downwards. Yeah, if you don't do this, the meat can actually drop off quite easily. So you fry in this direction, then it will actually make the meat stays in shape. Right, see? It has started to stay in shape. We just have to fry this tofu for a couple of minutes, that's it. Right, so this is how it looks like after about 3 to 4 deep frying. Looks really good, smells really nice. I can smell all the beanie tofu flavor and also the meat paste flavor. And you can see very clearly that the meat paste actually stays very nicely onto tofu. It did not fall off at all because I actually turned over the tofu just now. Yeah. So now we can actually slowly take this out and put it onto oil absorbing paper. Next thing, I'm going to fry the chili. Oops, forgot to turn the meat over. Okay, same, yeah. Also going to fry the brinjal. The thing about deep frying brinjal is that it can soak up oil very easily. So make sure right before you take out the brinjal, the heat should be actually higher of the oil. Yeah, the heat of the oil should be higher, so that it doesn't get to absorb the oil. After that, you have to put it onto an oil absorbing paper at the side. Meanwhile, I'm actually steaming my shiitake mushroom. I don't think I should deep fry the shiitake mushroom. I steam it for approximately 15 minutes. Some people ask Appa, how come you are not scared of heat and you dare to use a spoon on your wok? Now, the thing is because I'm using a induction cooker, yeah, induction stove. If I'm using fire stove, I won't be able to use the spoon. Fire stove is a lot more hotter. Alright, so you just want to deep fry this for a couple of minutes just to make sure the meat is actually fully cooked. Right, once we have some golden brown, it is definitely good enough. I think it has been approximately 5 minutes at least, maybe even more. Right, so here's Appa very simple stuffed tofu today. If you want to make a sauce, Appa today is a bit lazy lah. I will just eat it together with my chili paste. But if you want to make a separate sauce, what you can do is you can make some salted black bean, garlic, ginger, and saute it with a little bit of hot water. That will give you some really nice flavor. And add in some oyster sauce and light soya sauce. That would be a very nice sauce. Today, Appa very lazy. Okay, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.